$266 on YouTube in one day uploading faceless YouTube videos. I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and make money like that. As you can see, this in one single day I made $266. It go down to $42, then $54, then up to $120, almost $120. As you can see, it go up and it go down. When you upload videos, you make money, and you just need to keep uploading more videos so you can make a lot of money. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so how we can find trending and interesting topics that people will be interested to watch. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so just go to your YouTube homepage and we will use YouTube search to find trending topics. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search, ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to invest, for example, in, and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. As you can see, people are searching for how to invest in stocks for beginners, how to invest in real estate, how to invest in stocks, how to invest in cryptocurrency. Okay, so those are the topics that people are searching for, as you can see. So if you make a YouTube video about one of those topics, you will get views, get subscribers, and you will grow your YouTube channel fast using this method, because you are making content that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so for example, let's take this one, how to invest in real estate. So what you need to do now is you need to create an engaging YouTube script. So we will use just ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to ChatGPT is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do, and as you can see, I'm just using the free version. It's easy and simple. So you just need to click over here and ask ChatGPT make an engaging YouTube script, okay, about how to invest in real estate, like this. And here you go, ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, and I will show you how you can do it. It's easy and simple. Okay, so as you can see, step number 7 will give you steps, step number 1, number 2, and so on. We'll give you also your title, as you can see, introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You can put your channel name here. Today's video is going to be a game changer because we are diving into the world of real estate investment. As you can see, a good topic. This is the hook, as you can see, and this is the step number 1, set clear goal. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to copy this script. So I will copy just this part to show you guys. I don't want to make this video too much long. So for you, you need to record your script. All your script need to be recorded. So what you will do is you can record this YouTube script using your own voiceover. Okay, if you don't want to use your own voiceover, you can go to Google and search for this website. Okay, search for PlayHT. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and this AI voiceover generator website will turn your YouTube script into voiceover. So after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to click over here on change voice, and as you can see, they have different voiceovers: British voiceover, American voiceover, Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover. Choose which one you like. Let's check those voiceovers are in good quality. Check this one, for example.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the rules for which he is best known.
As you can see, this one.
Dude, I remember
Yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it just looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer.
As you can see, it's amazing and great voiceover. So I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. You need to put your YouTube script here, okay? And click over here on generate speech. And you just need to wait a few seconds and your voiceover will be ready. So what you need to do next is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional YouTube video, okay? And I will show you how you can do it. It's easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time and you don't need any money to start this business. So let's check this voiceover.
The first crucial step in real estate investment is setting clear, achievable goals. Are you looking for long-term wealth through rental properties? Or do you want to flip houses for quick profits? Define your goals.
You can see my voiceover is ready and it's in good quality. So you just need to click on this icon over here and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva, okay? Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? So you just need to come to this page and click over here on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload file and upload your voiceover, okay? So let me see.
The first crucial step in real estate investment.
Okay, this is my voiceover. As you can see, click on open and your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click over here on add page, okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover, okay, like this. Go to the first page, click between those two pages over here, click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more professional. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna make it to 0.3 apply between. Click over here on apply between all page and your transition will be applied between all your page. Click on the first page, click over here on elements and click on the search for real estate, okay, and click on videos and here you go. So for example, I will choose this one. Just click on the video. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background and click here, swipe left or you can swipe right and make it short or long. So make it short, so and add more videos about real estate, okay. I'm gonna add this one for example over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background and I will make it again like this, short. Click on the next page, scroll down, let's add this one over here and as you can see, set video as background. Click on the next page and let's scroll down, okay. You will find a lot of videos here about real estate. I will add this one over here like this, make it short, okay, like this. Next page and add different videos, okay. I will add this one over here. Next page, scroll down, and you just need to scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about real estate, okay. So let me see. We will add this one here like this, okay. So let's check the video now and let me know in the comments, guys, what's your opinion. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so let's check.
The first crucial step in real estate investment is setting clear achievable goals. Are you looking for long-term wealth through rental properties? Or do you want to flip houses for quick profits? Define your goals, whether it's passive income or capital appreciation, and let that guide your investment strategy.
And as you can see, guys, we just made Faceless YouTube video about how to invest in real estate just by using free AI tools, using just PlayHT and Canva and ChatGPT. It's really super easy and simple, and you are making videos that people are searching for. So this topic, as you can see over here, I didn't get this topic from my mind. This topic is on YouTube. People are searching for this, how to invest in real estate, how to invest in cryptocurrency. This topic can get views for years, okay, because people are always searching for how to invest. New people every day searching for how to invest in real estate. So those topics, all those topics over here are green topics that can get views for years, for months, or even years, okay. So that's how you can find trending and interesting topics. Use YouTube search, ask question how to invest, how to save, how to make, how to create, and so on, okay. Then after you finish your video should be, you can, so I just give you the method. You can use this method, make long videos after you finish. So just give it time, you can make better videos using Canva and ChatGPT, okay. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download. This video will be download to your laptop,